called perpetual motion, which is considered like not possible. And that's for the current scientific paradigm. And so how do you actually achieve perpetual motion? And that's understanding how to bring every aspect in a system, a localized system, into resonance. And that's the whole science behind that. But it's a resonant system. It's like mechanical friction and electrical resistance are both aspects of dissonance within the system. Bring them into resonance. Eliminate the resistance in the system. And there's absolutely ways to do that. And then there's also a self-organizing aspect of that system. And the main concept of the self-organizing system, the flow dynamics, is the vortex. And it's like the vacuum in a vortex can be considered potential. The outer wall, just like a hurricane. It's like when it goes from a tropical storm to hurricane, it goes non-linear because now you have a defined vacuum in the system. And so the compression builds all the way to the hurricane wall where it's thickest. There's a gradient within the pressure system. The thing is, you're like stabilizing the relationship between the polarities in the system at the same time while stabilizing that system, which relates to the perpetual motion, is you're also creating an environment where there's a vacuum and it's able to pull more energy from outside the system into a localized system. It self-organizes. Hurricane is going to continue to grow and amass energy as long as there's warm, humid air coming off the ocean as its energy source. It will perpetually grow forever as long as the energy source is there, becoming more and more and more massive. As we're hurricane wrecked this island. The more time it has to charge, essentially, in a stable weather environment, it's going to continue to grow. And so you can mimic that with light. And that's what I'm doing. That's what the pitch deck is, essentially. I'm not going into all those little scientific details, but like tech around that concept. And I'm like ready to like sort of do a one-man show with it, because that's where we're at with tech. I don't need a huge budget. I don't need a team. The team's mostly a distraction for me. It's like well-executed strategic flow of like, rapid prototyping is crazy these days. It's like you can literally like W4, when they want to work with consultants. And it's just like part of the start game shifting, just like with Airbnb and Uber, like what I can do, just because what 3D printing changed overnight. It's a different ball game. It's a nice thing that's in my tool belt is I can have this all works. So I think I can design it, find out how to get it made, and
what is
that
that you will make in them?
Well, that's the thing. It's like there's different sacred geometries, but they're building them in the exact right proportions, in the right structures, with the right materials, the right relationships. And so what I'm saying is there is this simple aesthetic with these systems because, like, you open up a hood of a Toyota, and it's like a beast. You open up a hood of a Chevy, and it's a beast, but it's an entirely different beast. And it's like the idea of a machine. There's like this humans have been doing a lot of design in artificial context. Biomimicry is only starting to be used really nowadays in terms of like mimicking actual natural design within our systems. When we actually like fully like mimic or reflect designs within nature, they actually look beautiful. Like there's an aesthetic to the actual tech. All our tech has been very rudimentary in our design. These are like idealized coils. Or like what are coils usually? It's like, oh, we're gonna take this foam and we're gonna wrap a piece of wire around it. It's like it's this rudimentary of like taking advantage of that system where it's like Buckminster Fuller says it best. This is the simplest answer. The simplest answer is usually the most beautiful. And like literally, it's beautiful. Our technology should be beautiful. And so like it even goes to like you open up the electronics in the phone and it's like I'm gonna say it's a beast. In terms of it doesn't have like an organic layout. The electronics are so really complex. All that can be simplified. Be drastically simplified. Part of it though is like, what do we do in electrical engineering? We separate it. We separate fucking everything. Male, female, he's left, she's right. And like
we separated the inductor and the capacitor. This is an inductor capacitor. Seems to be a consistent theme in all the intellectual fields. Psychology. It's like two main branches of that.
Yeah.
Where it's like, you say you understand, it's like where the major behavioral traits come from. When you're born with it or it's your genes. Well, it's obviously both. Duh. Like, come on. Everything is, you know, like every single study we have on polarized, but you look right in the middle. It seems to be the answer every single time. So, that's part of the shift. It's like finding the balance.
So to sum up everything that was said in almost 6 minutes, what is the message to the humanity?
Energy can be way simpler, and you just gotta get out of our way for it to happen. Straight up. 1899, Tesla was about to pull it off within a decade after that. The work he accomplished in Colorado Springs. That's a little piece of history people forgot. Buried his name with a car. He did some really cool things before he invented the AC polyphase motor before he invented the car. So, one, great to honor that man. Two, it'd be great to take it to a whole nother level and actually put it in application. Because we come really far with lots of other technological use. So there are very simple, modern technical approaches to generating, transmitting energy around the planet. It's a big deal.